Psalms chapter 5. Give ear to my words, O Lord. Consider my meditation. Hearken unto the voice of my cry, my King and my God. For unto thee will I pray. My voice shalt thou hear in the morning, O Lord. In the morning will I direct my prayer unto thee, and will look up. For thou art not a God that has pleasure in iniquity, neither shall evil dwell with thee. The foolish shall not stand in thy sight. Thou hatest all workers of iniquity. Thou shalt destroy them that speak leasing. The Lord will abhor the bloody and deceitful men. But as for me, I will come into thy house in the multitude of thy mercy, and in thy fear will I worship towards thy holy temple. Lead me, O Lord, in thy righteousness because of mine enemies. Make thy way straight before my face, for there is no faithful in their mouth, nor their inward part is very wicked. Their throat is an open sepulchre. They flatter with their tongue. Destroy thou them, O Lord. Let them fall by their own counsel. Cast them out in the multitude of their transgressions, for they have rebelled against thee. But let all those that put their trust in thee rejoice. Let them ever shout for joy because thou defendest them. Let them also love thy name, be joyful in thee. For thou, Lord, will bless the righteous. With favor will thou compass him as with a shield. Thank you guys for listening. That was Psalms chapter 5. As you see on the video here, I had to travel alone to Nigeria. It was my first flight and my first travel abroad. So I really enjoyed myself. I was a bit nervous. I was alone. I didn't know how to do anything in the plane, but by God's grace, the plane was so smooth and I enjoyed myself. I had a great meal. Yes, I was taking pictures and videos, as you can see, showing everyone how their bathrooms look like. Yes, I was so prepared and excited to meet my in-laws for the first time. Yes, this is their bathroom, as you can see. Thank you. Please follow for more. I have a lot more videos about Nigeria. Stay blessed.